others, the Eclipse. Ready as both aircraft cross paths once again. Flies in from the left to execute the flashbang.
In a combat scenario, this maneuver allows the Apache to reposition quickly and engage its target. Flying back to the show center, the Apache will now execute its next maneuver, gracefully balancing between its energy and its ability on slow speed handling in a 360 wing over. As the butt, the Apache will first showcase his slow level prowess, hopping up high and pausing in the sky before steeply steeping back down. Precision can fly as one, presenting the split fang. As they come true, the F-16 will demonstrate its thrust and power with a multiplier in full afterburners.
Quick stop. And then reverse the momentum and fly this mighty Apache backwards.
And with that, they will now push the envelope of this mean fighting machine by demonstrating to Viking before coming to a full hover at the show center. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our integrated aerial display by Team RSAF. We are honored to be part of the Singapore Airshow 2026, and we thank you for being a one.
As we kick off our show, 6 aircraft are making their approach from the right side. Get ready to be amazed. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the first maneuver, Jupiter Roll! Let's give applause to the Jupiter's Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic teams. Allow me to introduce myself. Let's give a thunderous applause to the Jupiter's Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic team. The Jupiters are Indonesia's premier display team, soaring through the sky with 681 Bombi. painted in a striking red and white seam, symbolizing the colors of the Indonesian national flag. The Jupiters have been had loose. Please make some noise to the Jupiters. The Jupiters are equipped with a white smoke generator painting the sky over Singapore. With their breathtaking maneuver, the KT-1B-1B, widely known as a propeller aircraft, present greater challenge in formation flying, especially approaching from in front of us. The Synchro with hard loop. And also the main body with their formation coming to us. Let your heart embrace this symbol of love from the Jupiters. From the left side, Jupiter 5 with call sign Greco, and from the right side, Jupiter 6 Synchro, Major Stefano with call sign Harrier. They are preparing for a breathtaking head-on pass in right front of us at an incredibly close distance. Get ready for the head-on pass. Now the Synchro is executing a perfectly coordinated horizontal circle, maintaining the same altitude and speed with absolute perfection. Here come another thrilling pass. Come on everyone, feel your heart race as the Synchro takes the center stage, executing the breathtaking Jupiter wheel. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, approaching from the left side, 4 aircraft from the main body are set to perform the mesmerizing snake loop. Let's welcome the Jupiters with the mesmerizing snake loop. 1 up, 2 up, 3 and 4 pulling up. Go, 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 the Jupiters! They must remain really focused to maintain their precise formation. This maneuver is a true testament to the skill, discipline, and rigorous training of the Indonesian Air Force pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, raise your hand. Let the sky hear your applause. Here the Synchro will fly inverted while Jupiter 6 maintain perfect precision directly beneath it. Honor guests, here they come. Let's welcome the Synchro with the stunning, spectacular mirror. The Jupiters with roll slide. Give a thunderous applause to the Jupiters. The aircraft reaches 0 speed and now enters the critical moment of instability. 1 roll. 2 roll, still fighting to regain control. Come on 6, you've got this. And he did it. Good job 6, under 6. Up next, approaching front guard pass. Please make some noise to the Jupiters, Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic team. Well, what a thrilling screw-roll maneuver! Let's give a roaring round of applause to the Jupiters! As the right wing, Jupiter 2, Major is... Ladies and gentlemen, raise your hand and let the sky hear your applause. Here come the Jupiters! Other guests, prepare for a spectacle like no other. Get ready, here it comes. And now brace yourself. The Jupiters coming up. Brace yourself. Okay. Gasket. Now.
पतंगों में उड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में
Do not shift your gaze, you are in for a breathtaking surprise. And there goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. As the aircraft fly past, here's the chance to be part of the action. Give a wave to our pilots and wish them luck. Here they will be making a short exit and will soon be back in the arena with more show. Now for an extraordinary maneuver, just shift your gaze slightly to the right as you can see Sarang 1, 2 and 3 are positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Elite. So hold on to your hats because it is about to get epic. These shoppers are about to defy and here they go, like a dolphin in the ocean, Sarang and Dolphins Elite. And as promised, there comes number 4 joining up with the formation. Straight ahead for double arrow cross. Now, true reflection of unity in diversity, signifying both India and Singapore's inclusive spirit. Coming from
first flight of this version in November 2016. And the A350-1000 is the longer fuselage version of the 73.8 meter total length, sitting about 350 and 410 passengers in 3 different classes. And this model features a more powerful Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engine versus a shorter version. And the market for and 699 A350s are currently flying on around 1,300 routes all over the world. And the first A350-900 was delivered in December 2014 to Qatar Airways. And the A350-1000 version flying here first started operation with Qatar Airways on February 2018. And the newest incremental improvements include a 4-inch wider cabin combined with a 1.2-ton structural weight reduction. This new MTOW boasts the aircraft's range by around 180 nautical miles, leading to around 8,900 nautical miles of range. Looking at this elegant aircraft, you want to know there's a new freighter variant, the A350F, which is based on the structure of the A350-1000. And this new range will embark on this flight test program later this year, which will carry a payload of up to 111 tons and will fly up to 4,700 nautical miles over the SAF by 2030 for commercial aircraft and for helicopters.
All the way to the side and show you this.
Get your timber foot ready because I was inverted.
He's quite slow now, and what you'll see when he raises the undercarriage is just the thrust of the F-35, how he's able to just go straight into an aggressive movement. 600 knots, which is approximately 1,200 kilometers an hour.